Claire, is that yummy?
Mmm.
Mmm. Did Daddy make good steaks? Yummy, yum.
This just paid for itself. Yep. Would you like some Cheetos? No, I would like a piece of steak.
Very expensive steak. Bye-bye, Claire. Bye-bye.
We're gonna have a piece of gristle. Leave me alone.
She doesn't know what to get first.
I got a char piece.
Yeah. Guess what?
With a cat hair on it too.
There's no vegetarian
Put it down.
in that child whatsoever.
Put it down. Oh yeah, it's a chunky piece of gristle.
Delicious.